Hey there, folks, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you a fantastic transformation we've made in our kitchen. We've given it a modern makeover, and we're sure you'll love the results. First, let's talk about the kitchen cupboards. We've used premium gloss superwood for a sleek and stylish look. The doors and drawers have a side close mechanism, making them easy to use. We've also installed a quartz stone top with an integrated fridge and a soft close mechanism. On the other side, we've fitted a washing machine, so you can do your laundry right in the kitchen. The island is made of quartz stone, with built-in shelving and glass doors, illuminated by LED lights. We've also installed a modern floating TV stand, complete with a palette background and Sahara wood used for the TV. Overall, we're thrilled with how this kitchen makeover turned out, and we hope you're inspired by it too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Until next time, stay creative and keep making your spaces amazing.